Okay, hi everyone. Uh, Today we're going to learn on how to use features provided by Excel built in below the data tab, what if analysis, goal seek. Uh, this goal seek right here uh, are part of what if analysis function or features provided by built in by Excel. Uh, in previous video, we have already learned on how to use Scenario Manager. Today, we're going to learn how to use GoalSeek. Maybe in the next video, we're going to learn how to use Data Table. So basically, GoalSeek is a way of Excel to find an exact value of a result uh, that we want by adjusting uh, other driver. Just like this in our example is a way of we can use GoalSeek to set the total revenue as we want to as we want by changing or uh, adjusting the assumption like sales volume, sales growth, or selling price. So basically, if we want to get the total revenue of, let's say, 1 million, we can set this by maybe oh much or thousand, thousand. This. Ah, basically, that's the goal seek is a way to find that value right here by changing this value right here or here or here or here, by changing the assumption. But the Excel did do it will do it automatically. Okay, let's jump into our example. Let's say I'm gonna change this to 1,500,000 maybe by changing the sales growth. The sales growth, we by going back to 1,000 for sales volume, selling price growth is still there. Okay, connected. Make sure all connected. Uh, for this to be work, you have to make sure all of your formula is connected, is well connected. So the goal seek analysis of the goal seek will going smoothly. Click on goal seek. Click on the cell we want to set the value of right here, and then to value. To value is the value that we want, and set up to 1,500,000 by changing. Let's say I'm gonna change the sales growth. Sales growth is 5% for now, and we click on OK. Then the cell is seeking the target value of 1,500,000. The current value is now 1,500,000. Click on OK. Now we have sales growth to be 29%, or to be exact, 28.819 and so on percent. That's so basically the if we going back to 5% and we want to change selling price, it can also be done by goal seek. That's like this. Set sell to 1 million by changing the selling price. They automatically sells the best, or that can the best selling price growth or the exact match, or the total revenue of 1 million. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please share and like this video if you find this video useful. Thank you and have a nice day.